Did you guys get the memo? We're going flush. Flush is everything right now. We're ditching trims because we don't need them anymore. We got trimless fixtures now, like these ones from Liteline. And I know what you're thinking. I don't have the drywall skills to install a trimless light, and quite frankly, I don't think my installer does either. And that's a fair concern, because there's a lot of things that can go wrong when installing a trimless light. Mudding that close to the opening can be tricky, and if they're not installed properly, then cracks can form along the outside of the frame. And when you're installing a product as nice as these, you're going to want to make sure you take your time and make sure it's absolutely perfect. And that can be a problem if you're installing a lot of these lights. So how do we guarantee a crackless level 5 finish every single time we install a trimless light? Well, actually we don't. They do. Liteline's done all the heavy lifting for you with their PrecisionPro model. That means that you get a piece of drywall with the mud-in frame pre-installed, mudded, sanded, and painted to a level 5 finish. So now all you have to do is install a piece of drywall without worrying about getting mud anywhere near the opening to your light fixture. And as for all that finicky, intricate drywall work, well, you never have to worry about that again, because it's done for you and it's never gonna crack. So get with the times, ditch the trim, because no matter what your drywall skill level is, Liteline's got you covered. Kind of like a trim, except we're getting away from that. We're trimless now. And with the PrecisionPro model, we're also getting rid of all that tricky drywall work. It's perfect every time and it won't crack, because they did it and not you.